The OSI model stands for Open System Interconnection, and it is basically a framework that shows how data travel across a network. In the early days, when you buy devices from a vendor, you buy all your devices from one vendor. You don't mix the devices. So, but with standardization, you can buy different devices and mix them. They can work. So think of it like a recipe with 7 steps. We call them layers. Each step play a role in getting your data from one device to another. Let's go over the 7 layers. The physical layer, this is the hardware part, the cabling, the hub, the bit. It handles the actual physical connection between devices. The data link layer, think of it as a traffic controller. It ensures data is sent smoothly over the physical layer. It also handles the MAC addresses, which are unique for every device. Switches operate in the data link layer. We have the network layer. This is where IP addresses come into play. It handles data by forwarding it to the best route. Routing takes place within the network layer. We have the transport layer. Imagine you are mailing a packet. The transport layer ensures that the packet is delivered in the right order and without any damage. The transport layer have 2 protocols like the TCP and UDP, so take note of that. I will have the session layer. This is a layer set up and manage the communication between devices. It's like starting a phone call and making sure that the line stays open. We have the presentation layer. This is like a translator. It ensures data is in the right format for the receiving device to understand exactly what is going on within the network. And we have the application layer. Finally, this is where the apps you use like web browser, the emails, the messaging interaction within the network. It's what you actually see when using the internet. So, understanding the OSI model is super helpful for troubleshooting. It lets you pinpoint exactly where a problem might be happening. Plus, if you are studying for certifications like the CCNA, this model is a must know. And that's the OSI model, the 7 layers that help data travel across a network. In the next video, we will break down the TCP IP model, which is more practical version of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any of the video. See you next time.